Welcome back. The breaking news is coming in about the Home Minister, who in fact has congratulated the security forces, and this is related to that big successful operation in Chhattisgarh with Amit Shah saying, and I quote, that yesterday our security forces in Chhattisgarh did a great job. We are also getting Chhattisgarh police support as well. More than 80 Naxals have been killed since the new government in Chhattisgarh was formed, and we will root out Naxalism very soon.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो मैं समग्र देशवासियों को, सभी राम भक्तों को रामनवमी की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देना चाहता हूं। कल छत्तीसगढ़ में सुरक्षा बलों को बड़ी सफलता प्राप्त हुई है। मोदी जी जब से प्रधानमंत्री बने तब से नक्सलवाद और आतंकवाद के खिलाफ एक सातत्यपूर्ण अभियान भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार ने चलाया है, और छत्तीसगढ़ में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार बनने के बाद वो अभियान में और गति आई। 2014 से ही हमने कैंप लगाना शुरू किया था। 19 के बाद कम से कम 250 कैंप लगे और सुरक्षा वैक्यूम को खत्म किया है। अब छत्तीसगढ़ पुलिस का भी सहयोग जितना इच्छनीय है उससे ज्यादा ही मिल रहा है। इसका परिणाम है कि सरकार बनने के बाद छत्तीसगढ़ में लगभग 3 महीने के समय में 80 से ज्यादा नक्सली ढेर हुए हैं, 125 से ज्यादा अरेस्ट किए गए हैं और 150 से ज्यादा नक्सलियों ने सरेंडर किया है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि कॉम्बिनेशन आगे भी चालू रहेगा और बहुत कम समय के अंदर मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में हम देश से नक्सलवाद को उखाड़ फेंकेंगे।
Well, this was a huge military operation that also involved a fierce gun battle. Arunima is in fact joining us. Arunima, undoubtedly this was a big success for the security forces, with the security personnel also recovering a huge cache of arms and ammunition. I wanted to understand from you, what are you hearing from the Home Ministry about this operation, and just how much more Naxals are present in Bastar district?
So that number, I don't think anyone has a sense, because there was no census ever conducted. There's no idea about how many new recruits are joining. So I don't think there is any idea about how many Naxals are present. But however, in how many districts they are present, that data is available. Earlier, it was all of Dantewada, all of Sukhma, all of Bijapur, Kanker, Narayanpur, Uttar Bastar. So basically, once you crossed Dhamtari in Chhattisgarh and you moved towards, the Telangana border, all those districts were affected, Telangana-Maharashtra border. Now, however, the situation is much better. In Jagdalpur main city, it is free. Dantewada main city, it is free. Mostly it is Bijapur and Sukhma, the border areas, which are still affected. Kanker and Narayanpur also, there is Naxal presence, but the kind of Naxal attacks that you saw even 5 years ago or 7 years ago, comparatively the attacks are much less. And why this particular operation is being seen as a huge success is because the number 29 Naxals killed is the most number that we have in recent times. The last big number we had was 26. That was 3 years ago when Milind Taltumde was killed. Post that, this is the single biggest killing of Naxals. Secondly, the focus area in the last 5 years, especially in the last 2 years, has been in Bijapur and Sukhma. In Narayanpur, Kanker, to have this kind of success is significant.
Very interesting. Arunima, thank you so much for giving us all that information. We'll have to